Arts integration is not a curriculum. It's not a prescriptive identification of items or a checklist of any sort. It's an approach. It's how you approach the curriculum. Here's the creative mindset, and we're fostering it through an integrated arts approach. And in order to do that, there are 4 steps to this cycle. Now, once you have the cycle going, it's going to start to turn like a flywheel. In the collaborative planning piece, when you come to that table, again, you're filling out the top piece by yourself. What do we want our students to learn about that topic? This collaborative planning matrix allows you to fill in the lesson plan sheet, and you'll notice here that I use that sheet to help me identify the standards. And essentially, you're going to choose a composition. It could be a piece of artwork, it could be a piece of music, it could be a dance, or even a theater performance. The type doesn't really matter. Just that you choose something that has some depth or nuance to it.